Hey YouTube, this is my Rubik's Cube collection here. First I have the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, the Pocket Mini, whatever. I have the Rubik's Icon, shiny. I have the Rubik's World, right here. Rubik's Magic. Yeah, hard to do with one hand. Yeah, Rubik's Magic. I have, this isn't a Rubik's Cube, it's the Ishin version, but it's the 5x5. I prefer the Ishin one because it's not so sticky like the like the Rubik's brand is. But I have it in a Rubik's Cube stand because I rock that much. And I also have the 4x4, also Ishin, because it's not as sticky as the Rubik's brand 4x4. And lastly, I have, well, I almost have a Siamese cube. But, yeah, it's not quite together yet. I just need to glue it. But, it's pretty close. And when it is done, then that'll be my collection right there. And I had another one. Well, I had another two. Here's the core for the Ishin 2x2. And, well, all these little bits and pieces in the core were from one of these, actually. But I tried to make a 3x2, and that's the result. So don't try it unless you really know what you're doing, because it's really, really hard. Usually. I might just be an idiot, but now I'm rambling. Thanks for looking at my collection.